Okay, I'm going to start reassembling the circuit onto this SSH pickguard that I have before me. I'm going to kind of do it in the same order that I took it apart. I'm going to put the switch on first and find my two screws and get those in there, if not tight, at least loose, so that I can have everything mounted in the right spots. Let me get my faithful screwdriver here. When you get old, things don't work like they used to, do they? Alright, here we go, back down into the hole. Once you get the first one, second one goes in a lot easier. You've got a little more stability on the switch. So there we are, screw 2. And I might as well, I know that I won't need to do much with this switch. I'm going to tighten it nice and put the little trim knob on there for beauty. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 3 potentiometers back into the pick guard like they were, and bring a washer and a nut. I'm just going to put them, for the purpose of the video, I'm going to put them on nice and loose and then tighten them off camera so that you don't have to watch me running the tightening tools. There you go. The pickups themselves need to go back exactly how they were on the prior pick guard, so we want to make sure that the right one goes back in the bridge, in the middle and the neck position. Here is the middle. And here is the bridge. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is put the spring and the screw back in. Now it'll get a little klutzy here because we got 2 pickups, so the middle one might fall out while I do this. Here we go. Take this piece of hardware, drop it in the hole, put the spring in. You'll recall the spring was put in with the larger side towards the pick guard. And then we just put the unit through the hole. This will be easier than assembling the humbucker unit that we put together earlier, just because of the way it's made. There's the first one, and we'll pick up the second one here, drop a screw, add a spring, there it is. It kind of holds itself in place. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Screw it in, and I'll go ahead and add the third pickup here, and we'll be ready to pretty much flip her over, other than putting the knobs back onto the tops of the pots, we're pretty much ready to go to wiring.